first video, and I just wanted to say hello, kind of do an introduction to everyone out in the world, and so, I guess get camera off, but I guess this is gonna take a while to get used to, and hopefully it won't be too difficult, but I've never really recorded anything myself, so this is the first time, and I would love to share with everyone my photography. I'm actually trying to get some work in 2 galleries right now. I'm a student from Chicago. Did I say my name? It's Savannah. And I will put a side link, or that link, in YouTube, so you guys could maybe give me some advice about what would you like to see up in the gallery. Do you think anyone would buy anything like this? It'd be nice to get some feedback. I love makeup, you guys. Have you looked on this YouTube thing with makeup and bags, and I'm very fashionista anyway, although you can't really tell since I'm just in black, under a pink top under, but I love watching all of these videos, and they really just entertain me. I don't watch TV, and this is all I watch, and it's amazing. I love it. I really do. Just getting to know, what products are good, what products are bad, and going to the store and buying something and trying it yourself is not always fun, and getting someone else's feedback is really nice in the sense that you can get some feedback from other people who've already tried it and not waste any of your money. So I really do love seeing all these videos, and thanks to everyone who subscribed to me, although I have no videos. So this is the first one, and I just want to say hi. So hi to the world, and hopefully I'll be doing a video soon about some makeup or some photography or something in between. I don't know yet, but I will definitely be posting up another video.